Baby, you're just like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Attractive, brilliant,
cute and dazzling.
What's
So warm to IJK.
I'm just kidding.
May look like some come to school for look man.
No, sir.
Exactly, more 500.
Oh, fuck with that. Is you make it, brother? Is you make it? Bad man. Bad.
Look on your ass.
When did they already?
You're pretty tough.
Yo, you see me? Let me show you something. Me. Okay. Why you say ugly?
It's the ugly competition this.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Compare cabin, ugly man.
It's the string, yeah? Imagine I want a string. I'm tied to it, yes.
Video.
So, what it good enough? Dry it hard.
What?
Dry it hard in 3.
It's about to go down.
2, 1.
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
First Jamaican for Billa, upstairs zinc house. No really, we ever met them see. No, you have to wave your arm at them see, man, yeah.
What is this big thinking stretch out, man?
No. You're damn right, sir.
No, man, we know me and my family. Hey, man, you have to put on my bloomers and pumps and wire, you know, boy.
You know it's quite obvious that you have no idea who the hell you're talking to.
Don't feel special. The last time I googled your name, it says still searching. Yeah, nobody, not even the director your name, the girl.
You know it's people like you. It is people like you who are driving this country to the ground.
And the politicians like you make the country so stinking. You know, nobody no one Bluetooth you. Well.
Yo, dog, yesterday me there I can't see a girl in the dog. I'm say, come see.
Yo, what's your girl?
Fikiana.
Come see. Baby, you're just like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
So what that mean?
Attractive, brilliant,
Cute and dazzling.
Elegant, funny, gorgeous and hot.
So warm to IJK.
I'm just kidding.
What What kind of picture? Passport picture? Yo, send me a picture of the thing, man. Send me a picture of your bank book. And the more the zeros, is the lower the panty go. And if you're talking US and pound, you get the picture in a HD. But you want picture. But you must sleep, you want to come scan me.
I'm mascot. Circus you want.
You couldn't just talk with him because they just lick him in the seat, so.
Me look like someone come to school for look man.
But no, I just want bit.
Me look like someone come to school for look man.
No, sir.
Exactly, move my friend than me.
I know a building top party I keep. You hear that? Everybody from building top, you know. Nobody are ground.
Sir, you can't carry it home, sir?
Oh no.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You good like me? You good looking like me? You handsome like me?
No, be there, just be there.
You handsome like me? What's your dopey bat?
Where's it?
Your bat dopey. Instead of dopey bat.
I'm in Miami, and this is open, so I'm gonna eat it now. I'm really excited. So the part that you eat is the flesh.
Get out of here.
Jesus Christ.
No, God, please, no.
This is interesting. I like it. It's like savory.
What?
I never had it in its like natural form. I've only had it like cooked, but it's good. Okay. Fresh Aki.
That's all, folks.